Right, now, can you capture things like the Milky Way and Comet Neowise with a DJI Osmo Action? Well, the answer is yes. Let's show you how to do it. So, I've gone to video and time lapse. We're going to go to manual. We're going to change our shutter speed. All the way to 25 seconds. Our ISO at 800. And we're going to set our white balance at 4000K. And then we are on infinity for our duration. Interval at 30 seconds, so basically it's going to take a shot that's 25 seconds long and do that every 30 seconds, and it's in video mode, so it'll already stitch it into a time lapse for you, which is great. I've powered it overnight outside, obviously, with a USB-C lead going into the Astrovan to run off the 12-volt battery, obviously dropping it down to USB 5 volts, and you can see what the time lapse looks like now.